Hello viewers, I want to make a quick video. I don't know, maybe somebody's got a better suggestion for me. This last weekend, well, a week ago, I took this all off. I put on a Smittybilt X2O, I believe it was, 12,000 pound synthetic winch and the Rugged Ridge winch plate in here. When I was done, I really just didn't like it because of how it made this look up here. There's got to be a better way. My problem is I really like, and this specifically I ordered and or wanted this with the factory Rubicon steel bumper. Well, if you're back 100 foot, it looks fine. But if you get anywhere reasonably close, with this all being gone, this and this, and the winch in here, there was wires, everywhere, even though they were, groomed properly. The beams were sticking out real good. It just really took away from the front looks of this Gladiator. And I've seen other people's vehicles, not a Gladiator, but like a JK or something that had winches on and it was nice and clean. Problem is, you really can't do it with this bumper. I know it's just aesthetics. But it bothered me, and so I took it all back off. But if there would have been something that would have went in here and covered up these beams and the light harnesses that over there actually that goes across, cleaned it up a little bit, it would have looked better. I'm not exactly sure. I know you can buy other winches. I've seen them online that would cover this area up in here, cover these beams up and everything. But I don't really like the looks of the bumpers. I really like the look of this bumper if it was just tweaked a little bit. Like I said, maybe this would go on over here a little further and cover up these beams and the wires or something. But it really just didn't look good. So I just removed it. And I'm going to have to keep looking unless somebody's got a suggestion for something to add, or maybe a bumper that is very close to this steel Rubicon bumper in looks. Because like I said, I really like that. If you got a suggestion, I'm all ears. Because I really want to get a winch on here, but I mean, it just, well, for lack of a better word, it just looked like crap when you're up here anywhere close. And since this is also my daily driver, and my primary vehicle, it's good to have the winch. You know why it's good to have the winch, but it's not good if it looks terrible. And either I missed something here, or I'm going to have to come up with a different plan. But anyway, we put it on. Didn't like it when I was done. Waited till the next day, looked at it again. Had a couple other people tell me ask them what they thought, and they pretty much had the same theory. So it just didn't work. So we removed it. But so much for the winch for now. But hopefully in the future I can either find a bumper, although I hate to have to spend the money for a bumper. These are $1,000 bumpers if you look at the sticker on them. I hate to have to spend more money for a bumper, but then again, I really want a winch. So, it's a catch-22, but maybe there'll be a similar bumper come out in the future or something. I don't know. Anyway, that's the short of it. And if anybody's got any suggestions or something, either email me in my About section. My email address is in there, or just better yet, leave a comment. All right, guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching, share, and subscribe.